for a change of scenery. We dance in the moonlight and smoke some weed. Life never looked so promising. She's busy flying on Saturday night. I bask in a corner in Leicester Square. We buy cold pizza at 2 a.m. We made just enough to travel. It's such a chilly night. Never settle down. She's afraid of boredom and a routine. But I, on the other hand, grow weary and cold. I imagined it to be so different. Her family back home that she ran away from a few years ago. She puts on a brave face whenever I ask, will you be alright this Christmas? Will you be alright this Christmas?